Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Lightchain AI using Trust Wallet. First, you'll need to understand the token's details, including its contract address. This is crucial for finding the correct asset. Next, ensure your Trust Wallet holds enough Binance Coin, or BNB, to cover transaction gas fees. These fees are necessary for processing your purchase on the blockchain. Finally, we'll connect your wallet to a decentralized exchange to facilitate the trade. Let's get started with the process. Before buying, you must prepare your Trust Wallet. First, add Lightchain AI as a custom token using its contract address. This makes the token visible in your wallet. Next, ensure you have enough BNB. You can buy BNB directly through Trust Wallet or transfer it from another exchange. It's wise to have at least $5 worth of BNB to cover potential gas fees. Double-check your balance before proceeding to the next step. Now let's use a decentralized exchange. Open the DApps browser in your Trust Wallet and select a reliable DEX such as PancakeSwap. Connect your wallet to the exchange. Then, input the Lightchain AI contract address into the to field. Enter the amount of BNB you wish to swap for Lightchain AI. Review the transaction details carefully, including the slippage tolerance, before confirming your purchase. This ensures a smooth and successful trade. After confirming your swap on the DEX, you'll need to approve the transaction within your Trust Wallet. This final step authorizes the transfer of funds. Once approved, your Lightchain AI token should appear in your wallet balance almost immediately. If they don't show up right away, give it a few moments and refresh your wallet. Congratulations, you've successfully purchased Lightchain AI. Also, for all you avid readers, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.